My name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax here in Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to take you guys through a brokerage listing we have up in Stuart. This is a 2023 Grady-White 336 Canyon. Beautiful boat, single owner, originally purchased from MarineMax, brand new. This boat's very, very well equipped. We'll take you guys through a quick walkthrough video. Overall, she's in very excellent condition. We have the gray hull side color. We're powered with twin Yamaha 425 XTOs. These just crossed the 100-hour mark, 101 hours as they currently sit today. We have for boarding, we have the port side boarding door. Grady-White does a phenomenal job of creating a center console that's just overall great for fishing, great for cruising with the family. As you can see here, nice spacious open cockpit for fishing. Rod holders all the way around. Livewell on the back port side, livewell here on the leaning post. And then a large aft cooler, fish box, storage box, however you want to use it. Nice two-tone color on the 425 XTOs. Boarding ladder off the starboard side with a second boarding door along the transom. This boat does have AC and generator. We have the aft sunshade up on top. Very well equipped helm. 2 Garmin 16-inch displays, Yamaha gauge, Icon VHF, Yamaha joystick, bow thruster, trim tabs, AC here at the helm. Very well appointed. We have 3 helm seats with fold down bolsters and armrests. Fully integrated glass windshield with a vent in the center. Beautiful cabin down below. Marine style head. Sleeping if you'd like it. AC. And then a great bow setup. Wraparound bow seating. This piece here in the center is removable to expand the seating if you'd like. The backrest do fold back and forth. Windlass anchor up in the front. Nice bench seat, and then extremely well equipped on the hardtop Garmin OpenRay radar with a FLIR for nighttime navigation. Again, this is a 2023 Grady-White 336 Canyon, available now at MarineMax Stuart. Feel free to give me a call directly at 561-635-6811. Again, my name is Brian McGlenn, MarineMax. We look forward to hearing from you.